Ka HNPF kalakentu ya baro ki MLA baki dayban boykot lene ban om yashibenta haka jinya lang syong dorbar kaban sedang nadu kishpoterik mutau nailur. Kane ka jingkentu jong ka NPF kare kum kadak ban persya halor ka jingsha siat yap uba cheris terfil tangkiu kabla ja ka khatlai tarik nailar arajar arpuwe. Nakliang u presiden ka HNPF uba Roni Rani ulaong lada ki MLA kidan ka jingkit kli halor kane ka kam kide ban boykot shisngi kum kada ka jing persya halor kane ka jing sya peniap uba cheris terfil tangkiu.
Telara officer MLA, you are human being. You have the feeling. Lara fidanta lara shit. If you pinch, you feel the pain. If you are cut, your hand is cut, anything, the blood come out, you feel the pain. Then how if the person being killed, you don't have the feelings? And if you have that, please show some sympathy on humanitarian ground. Boycott one day. We demand from you, we request from all the concerned MLAs are concerned. It doesn't mean during election you come and ask for vote that we are for you, for the people, we are with the public. Pinwan apa yung sadya, pinrong sunam di, kamar sekali, rung sunam yung sadya, song sunam madan, pinang along yung, para jonga, kayang kisab jonga, pidan na mata jonga, but nga adan na mata jopi. Haray paniginig po, this is the time that you have to show, yes, I'm for you, I'm for the people, I'm for the public. The welfare of the people and public. Ngaday na mata jopi pa ba, tengah kerpat, iki MLA, baru kahit, lahat yung chief minister to nung boycott, o deputy chief minister nung boycott, talat na talong, sanpo prangot, pila ban boycott, sisni kum ka mark of protest, the mark of feeling humanitarian ground that for the departed soul of late Chesterfield Tangkeo, and justice should be done at the earliest. Justice should be done at the earliest, and we demand from us, and we want it should not be a judicial inquiry. I think it should be an independent inquiry. Independent inquiry. Tangkine bat nga kerpat ipadba baso ya hap kiniru kasadan ki agitational program kiba syakmat kebangin saya ya ngin saya le bakiwi kiseng balang tang nga kerpat kajing kersan ofisia ban lara piso ya hap ya kene kajing diman jingin namta no mentau syak penyiap uwe lara mangi nyim ya teli nyim la sya sak penyiap ar langut kiba trekam seng balang batri barkhot kisah susya le be kene kom tengah kerpat iseng balang barkhot ru to nginyele yakini da kabajay om bangin chimika anikti not to take the law in the hands om bangin le destruction and obstruction of property.